Hello, my lovely people, how you are doing? I hope you all are doing well. And if you are new to my channel, then hi, my name is Kritika and I do post makeup related videos on this channel. And it would mean a lot to me if you just subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. In today's video, I have recreated a look of Kylie Jenner. It's a 24th birthday makeup look. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. My skin is breaking out a lot these days because of the stress I'm taking. It's just a reminder for you all that we have acne, we have pigmentation, we have breakouts, we have wrinkles, and we are beautiful with all of that. There is nothing like an ideal or a perfect skin. Starting off, I'm applying this moisturizer from Vaseline to hydrate my skin, and after that I'm applying this aloe vera gel as a primer. Aloe vera gel acts a very good primer for your face. Now I'm filling my brows with the help of an angle brush and the grey shade from the eyeshadow palette. Once my brows are done, I am concealing my eyelids and I am also concealing the periphery of my eyebrows to get a sharp eyebrow look. Now I'm picking up this dark brown shade from the palette and I'll be defining my crease line with this, and for this I'm using a pencil brush and I'll be pulling out a wing towards the outer side of my eyelid, and slowly I'm building up this shade. Now I'm using this micellar water to clean out my lids, and in this way it will be very easier to create a cut crease. Now I'm concealing my lids and the concealer which I'm using is from Swiss Beauty. Because we have used the micellar water to clean out our lids, it became easier to create a cut crease, as you can see also in this video. Now I'm applying some warm shade on the top of the brown shade, because if you zoom into the picture there is some warm shade also. And after that I am applying yellow matte shade onto my cut crease. The reason why I am applying this shade is because the glitter which I have is actually a copperish or rose gold shade. If I'll apply that shade on the top of this yellow shade, then it will give an illusion of a gold shade. Now I'm drawing eyeliner, and the eyeliner which I'm using is from Maybelline. And I'm drawing foxy eyeliner. I'm not accentuating my inner corners, but it will make my eyes elongated. After that I have applied foundation, and the foundation which I have used is from Maybelline. For concealer I have used this Swiss Beauty concealer for highlighting, and I have applied this concealer onto all the highest points of my face, and now I'm blending it with the help of a small blending brush. I'm setting my concealer with the help of a compact powder, and the powder which I'm using is from Maybelline Fit Me. Once again I'm filling my brows to make it more bold and to complement my eye look. Picking up this warm shade from the palette and I am applying it closer towards my lower lash line. And after that I am applying false lashes, and I am not applying full length lashes. I have cut the lashes into half and I am applying it only onto the outer side of my eyelid. To bronze up my face, I'm picking up this warm shade from the palette and I'm applying it onto my cheekbones, my jawline, my forehead, and I'm also trying to contour my nose with this. Now I'm applying blusher from the palette, and from the same palette I'm applying highlighter, and I'm highlighting all the highest points of my face. And on the top of this highlighter I'm applying this shimmery yellow shade from the palette to add a golden glow onto my face, because I don't have golden highlighter. To finish up this look, I'm applying a liquid lipstick from NY Bay, and on the top of this lipstick I'm applying a liquid lipstick from Maybelline. And this is my final finished look, you guys. I hope you all liked this look and enjoyed watching this video. I hope you all liked this makeup recreation, and if you did, then please take a moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel and share this with your family and friends. It will motivate me a lot to make more videos, and I'll see you guys with a brand new video. Till then, bye, take care.